Today we're going to talk about why you should take care of your foundation. Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. Today we're going to talk about why you should take care of your foundation. Well, think of your foundation as the legs or your backbone or your bone structure of your body. Without having good bones, solid bones, it's going to be hard for you to stand upright without bending over, slouching, and it's almost identical to how your house reacts. If you don't have a strong foundation, or if you start having cracks and things like that end up in your foundation, you're going to compromise the integrity of it, and it's going to allow it to then start bending, sloping, and failing on you. So just like your body, you need to make sure it's in working, functioning order. And same with your foundation. Any cracks, anything that you see, it's way better to get it fixed now versus waiting, just like your body. And that is your foundation repair tip of the day.